Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to disable quiet mode on Instagram, with updated steps to make it easy for you. So, let's get right to it. First, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. If you're already on your feed, that's perfect. Next, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap to head to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, focus your attention on the top right corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Tap on those to access the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to find the notifications option. Go ahead and click on that to open notification settings. Here's where it gets important. Look for quiet mode in the list of notification options and tap on it. This is where you can manage how you receive notifications while in quiet mode. To disable quiet mode, simply toggle the switch to turn it off. Now you're all set to receive notifications without any interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled quiet mode on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy scrolling through your feed.